space measures approximately 14 feet by 13 feet by 10 feet. This is a bedroom in our home that we converted for my craft room. My husband basically custom built it for me. Right now you're looking at the cabinets where I keep some supplies, my main work desk, and some bookshelves over to your left. I am currently standing in the doorway of my room looking towards the window. Our window actually faces the street, and I recently moved my desk from where the dresser is now to its current location. I couldn't be more pleased with it. I really love this desk. It holds a lot of things, and with an upcoming trip, I'm going to probably be filling it up. This is the view of the top of my desk where my camera mount is for filming overhead videos. I purchased my desk from wayfair.com. I will try to remember to leave the link down below. And some friends of mine helped me put it together. This is a closer look at my ink storage. These are plastic units, very sturdy. They've survived 2 separate moves. One from our house in Laurel to another house that we had there, and then one across the country from Maryland down here to Alabama. Porta Ink does not have their own website any longer, but you can find these units on scrapbook.com. I think you can find them on Amazon, and I absolutely love them. Keeps my inks at easy arm's length so that I can use them whenever I want. This is the closet in this room. We took the doors off and my husband built those shelves for me. I purchased this huge work table from Home Depot. And the reason that I like this workbench so much is that it has industrial casters as well as really well-built drawers that hold my steel reel dies. And those steel reel dies, once again, are right there. The existing light inside this closet is actually a track light that you would use maybe like in a kitchen. I like it because it offers light into all the little nooks and crannies of this area. Here is some more of my die storage. This is the front of my desk. I made myself a banner that just has my name, Loretta, on it. But underneath this desk is a huge amount of storage. To take advantage of the space underneath my desk, I put the 12 by 12 drawers that you buy from like Hobby Lobby or Michael's, or I've even seen them at Tuesday Morning. And they hold a lot of small stuff that I just absolutely love. And there are quite a few empty drawers. This is the top of my dresser. And I am still cleaning stuff off, as you can probably obviously see. As you are at the window facing inside the room, this is the other set of cubbies which make up my desk. And I keep cardstock here that I use all the time, so it's readily accessible to me. And I really like having it like this because all I have to do is turn around and use it with my die cutter or use it in my crafting. This is the side of my desk where I sit. These are also 12 by 12 storage drawers. As you can see, I've used sticky back magnet sheets. And if I have dies or stuff that I'm just using and I don't want to put away, right at that moment, I can just put them on the magnets and I'm ready to go. In this cabinet, I store most of my unmounted stamps. They have been taken off their wood blocks. and they are stored in these large 1-inch storage boxes. I bought mine from Stampabilities. It's a great use of space, and I get to keep a lot of unmelted rubber stamps. I bought this corner caddy along with pretty much everything that's in it from that estate sale that I was telling you guys about earlier. I don't normally do this, but right now I have my computer on basically a bedside type tray, and this way I can watch videos or be on my computer if I need to, or do actual work, because this also doubles as my office. But this is a fabulous tray. It even has a drink holder. This is one of 2 pantry units that I have. This one has a second set of Copics that I use when I'm teaching classes, and all of these boxes are filled with stamps and dies. I know that at the moment it looks very messy, but I am going through things right now, and I will be destashing some items soon. So if you're interested in buying some very gently used or not even ever used stamps, please come back to my YouTube channel and see what I'm selling. This is the second of my pantry units. I keep some mailing supplies up top. A lot of these drawers that you see are actually empty or have very little in them. I'm still working on these as well. I tend to be a ladybug in my organizing style. You'll have to watch Cass Orson's videos on that. I'll try to remember and leave a link down below. But toward the bottom of the cabinet, I have my Copic refills, some 12 by 12 paper, and just some storage boxes. To take advantage of the space on the inside of the doors of both of my pantry units, I've used sticky back magnets to store dies by theme, and this one is butterflies and bows. However, it's a very loose theme since, well, it just needs to be cleaned up. I keep my boys' high school pictures here so I can look at them anytime I want. Okay, this is some storage of glitter and shaker bits. And way up there are things like my Dremel tool and some die cuts, and also a light that sometimes I use for filming. The neatest thing about these particular shelves is they pull out. Here is the shelf pulled down, and it's nice because all you have to do is pull it down, use what you want, and then put it back up. This one's a little heavy, so I cannot do this with one hand, but you get the idea. In this cabinet, I store things like beads and beading supplies. There's some adhesives, some sparkling H2Os, more glitter shaker bits. Yes, adhesive paste, which is great for art journals and anything that you want to apply paper to and you don't want it to be lumpy and bumpy. That's your ticket right there. And there are lots of buttons and jewels and things like that as well in this closet. This cabinet is directly above my paper, and this is the one I was telling you about that I keep extra supplies in. And on the doors, on both the sides of the doors, I have magnet sheets. Once again, I can just put whatever magnets or magnet sets that I have. And once again, I can use these to put dies on, or die sets. It gives me more storage. It's visual, but yet I don't have to look at it if I don't want to. Here is a supply cabinet that has a lot of small, empty iris type containers. There's some note cards, envelopes, and legal size pads up here as well. And this is a cabinet where I keep my extra big shot. My Xyron is up there as well. And it's just a great place for hidden storage. Last, but by no means least, is a view from my window towards the door to this room. My husband custom built the stamp display shelf. This is a small cart that we bought probably 18 years or so ago, and he put a wood top on it, and it holds my scan and cut. And then over the closet where my large AccuCut machine lives are a bunch of, if I ever run out of room on this particular area for my tags, I plan to do something quite similar on the curtains. I hope that you've enjoyed this room tour. Here are some before pictures of my room before I cleaned it back up. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it on your social media. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Stay happy and be a blessing. Have a great day. Bye for now.